get excited because I'm gonna show you the brand new iDesign Home Edit fridge and pantry line. And they have sent me one of every item. So we are gonna look at them all. We're gonna look at the sizes. We are gonna dive in deep into these adorable bins. I'm so excited. Let's go. All right, let's take a peek. All right, so here is the big surprise. The Home Edit and iDesign have a brand new line of fridge and pantry products. And you are getting a first look at them because I'm not going to just show you the product, but we are gonna walk through them and their sizes, and you are gonna really get to see what these are all about. Look how cute this is. It's so itty bitty. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. I love it. Okay, so this is the small berry bin. It is 6 by 6. That's actually a really great size for a berry bin. Oh, it's so cute. So iDesign actually sent me one, well, I think they did, one of every product to show you guys. So we're gonna check them out. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. Oh, it's like a perfect little square. I love this. Wow, so cool. Okay, so this is the small fridge bin. Honestly, it looks to be the exact size. Yep, and they, yes, stack. How cool is that? Oh, I was really excited about these. I got to see a tiny little sneak peek in just like an image gallery. Oh yeah, this is cool. So there's a product that iDesign has that I love, and they're kind of similar to this, but they come in like a few different sizes, and I love using them for snacks. But this is really neat because this is a bigger version of it. And you guys, I just love the clear stuff. I like being able to see the products that we have, the food that we have, and I know my clients like to see that stuff as well. Yeah, this is really cool. I totally dig this. So this is 10 by 10. Okay, so another thing that's really neat is this is a 10 by 10. The other Home Edit bin is also 10 by 10, so these will stack perfectly on top of each other. Sweet! All right, let's see what else we got. Okay, this is a little bigger. Okay, so this is a large berry bin. This is cool too. I think, honestly, the smaller berry bin would be really good for like blueberries and raspberries because they don't take up a ton of space, versus something like this would be really good for strawberries. They tend to just take up so much space in a bin. They're a lot bigger. Yeah, they put tomatoes on the picture. That is way cool. Okay, so this is 6 by 12. This is really neat. So this is just a bigger version of the small berry bin. Ah, I love it. This stuff is so cool. Yee. I'm excited. Okay. Ta-da! Oh, what is this? Okay, this is called the narrow fridge bin. So this is 4 by 12. Sweet. Okay, I love this. This is huge for me. When items are the same size, they go together so nicely. Whenever you have a collection, when the sizes line up, they literally line up. So this is super cool. This is neat. Okay, so yeah, I use a lot of these in my fridge already. Let me grab one to show you. Oh. What do I have in it right now? Oh, okay. I have, well, just coconut water. But anyway, so this is the one I keep in my fridge right now. This is really cool because this one actually has a removable lid. If you can see that, that's sweet. And for refrigerators that are a little smaller in size, mine's actually pretty large. This would be really cool. You can see the size comparison. That's neat. Okay. Oh, sweet. Okay, I'm excited about this too. Let's see. So this is an egg bin. stacking capability. Oh, I love it. I love it. Okay, so this is 15 eggs. Huh, well that's interesting. Well, I guess if you have a few extra ones in a dozen, that's helpful. Ooh. Okay. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. What is this? Okay, this is, oh, a divided fridge drawer. 6 by 12.375. Okay, that's probably just because of how it fits together. Let me see if I can untape this real quick. Oh, nice. Came off so easily. Sweet. I like this a lot. This is cool just in itself, but it goes in the drawer. So I'm sure there's a lot of people that have refrigerators that don't have a lot of drawers, so this will add a great new drawer to your fridge. That's cool. Let's see. Let's try it. Okay, so because of the drawer, it is a little bigger, but yes. So we still have a good stack here. So you can have a drawer, you can have an egg bin. Wow, we don't even need shelves in the fridge anymore. We'll just line these bad boys up. Yeah, that's cool. That still works. I dig it. All right, let's see what else we got. Okay, this is really neat. I've actually had clients ask me about this because these canisters, I've used them a lot of different ways. I've used them for kids' art supplies. I've used them obviously for food. There's so many things you can use them for. So this is really cool. This is a pasta canister and it's 4 by 6 by 12. So this is the biggest canister they make, which makes total sense for pasta. Wow, this thing is big. This is really big. I dig that. Let's see. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, this is cool. Okay. So this is a divided freezer bin. It is 8 by 12 by 6, so another good size. This is neat. Yeah, this is cool. I like this. Yeah. This doesn't have a top, but you know, for a freezer, it's kind of meant to be open. Let me see if I have something I can show you. Dun, dun, dun. Okay. So this is currently the bin I have in my freezer. The reason why I wanted to pull it is because it is similar in size, but I think a lot of people are gonna like this feature. This is completely flat around, so you don't have the handles that stick up a little more, which might not fit in some people's freezers. Like I said, mine's pretty big, so I don't have a problem. But I think that this will create a more streamlined look in a lot of other freezers, so that's pretty cool. I better put this back. All right, moving on. Now, I already know what this is because it's the only thing that makes sense. You know, there are never enough bin clips in the world. So this should be pretty exciting, which I kind of already gave it away, but that's okay. Dun, dun, dun. Dun. Oh, sweet. Okay, so it is a set of 3, and instead of being silver or bamboo or black, these are actually clear. Can you see me? Can you see me now? Ooh, let's try to clip this on something. Maybe, let's try this thing. This makes some sense. So it has 2 little things right there. Sweet little logoing. Yeah, and then it clips right on. That is super cool. I dig that. I would totally put like white lettering on this. It would look really cool. I know the Home Edit has their own clear labels. Those would obviously look cool too. Probably what they're for. Yeah, these are really cool. I got lots. And some more. That's cool. All right. Let's see. Oh, this is cool. I'm gonna put this over here. I think I'm running out of space. All right. So this is a produce bin, and again, it's 6 by 12. That's cool because like everything else, we've got a nice little stack and it doesn't move around. Yeah, these are really good for celery, carrots. Oh, what else have I just use these for like when my cilantro just comes from the grocery store. I just put it in here. That actually works really well. There's a lot of things you can use that for, so that's pretty cool. This stuff is getting very high. Wow, this is huge. Feels like Christmas. Organizing products always feel like Christmas to me. Okay, this is the cereal canister. I also got a sneak peek at these and I thought they were so cool. Of course, it's the same canister lid that we all love, but I did notice that they added this top. This is cool. Definitely gonna wanna clean these first, that's really important. Yeah, so this is 4 by 10 by 12, so this should line up. Yeah, it lines up. This is awesome. This is really wide. This is huge. This would probably hold at least 2 bags of cereal, probably more. Yeah, that's big. Oh God, oh God, oh God. Oh, this is cool. You know, honestly, you can never have enough of these. This is just a narrow pantry bin. Yeah, this is super cool. It's 4 by 10 by 6. 4 by 10 by 6. Well, this is kind of a little separate, but if you put these next to each other, they'd probably look really cool. Obviously, these are going to be the same size. So you can see some of the items are definitely more geared towards the fridge, where others are probably more geared towards the pantry. Yeah, that's cool. This probably won't stack because there's nothing holding it. But I wouldn't do that. Don't do that. I'm just playing with it. But they do fit in size, so that's pretty neat. I just love it when things line up. All is right with the world, all is cohesive with the world when organizing products line up. Look at same height. Such a beautiful thing. Let's see if I can get that. Sweet. Okay, we got one more. Okay, this is cool. Why I thought, did I have this? Oh, okay. So this is the large divided fridge bin. So just like its friend that is a drawer, this is a bin with a lid. I really like this. Oh, I thought it flipped out. I was like, oh, that's pretty neat. No, it comes off. That's probably cooler. Yeah, that's really cool. I dig this a lot. Like I said, I liked this already. I love this. This is what I've done. Adding a lid, this is super cool. I could definitely see this being really useful, and it's a great size. And again, we'll just add it to our little stack here. Look at this. Wow. That's a big stack you got there. Oh, that is so cool. All right, guys, so that is a look at all the brand new the Home Edit and iDesign fridge pantry collection. They sent me one of each. I can double check, but I'm pretty sure I had one of each to show you. And this stuff is just really cool. If I had to pick a favorite, I mean, I already love berry bins. Let me see. But yeah, so we just have blueberries in this bin. I think what is really nice is it is a little more streamlined, so that's pretty cool. Like I said, if you don't have a massive fridge like we do, got the big one, this would probably be a good choice for you. I just love it. It's like the perfect little square. It's so cute. But it shows you a good size comparison to a typical berry bin, and then the new Home Edit ones, you can see the size comparison. So yeah, I think I really dig, sorry, this is actually the berry bin, but they're really similar. There's just a little basket in here. Let me see. See if I can get, oh, what is this? Okay, so there's a lid. I'm so bad at tape. Okay, there's a lid and then a little basket. So I actually use my basket to wash the berries in. It actually works really well. And you can just line it with a paper towel at the bottom and it'll catch anything that's like left over. But it does work really well. So this is really cool because they do provide a lid, a basket, and then probably one of my other favorite items is probably this one. I really like the fact that it's divided. I like the size, and I like that it has a lid. That's pretty cool. But the whole collection is actually really nice. They did an amazing job. I'm so excited for you guys to see it. The whole collection and everything you see here launches on May 18th, as I was told, but I think you might be able to kind of get a hold of it a little sooner at the Container Store, but don't quote me on that. So thank you for joining me. I'm so excited that I got to show you this. Thank you, iDesign, for sending me all of this. It's amazing. Bye, guys.